Hey there. Today we're diving into something that is very simple, relaxing, is perfect for getting away from the stress of the daily life, and is motorcycle fishing. You don't need to spend hours preparing, packing stuff. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on gear. You just need telescopic fishing rod, a small tackle box with artificial lures, bottle of water, hat, sunnies. You're good to go. Let me show you how easy it is. All right, first things first, a good choice for motorcycle fishing is a general purpose telescopic rod. These rods are lightweight, compact, and they won't take up much space on your bike. There are hundreds of options out there. You check Amazon, you check AliExpress, hundreds of options. But today I'm going to break down the three rods that I personally use, and we will go over the price, the length, and the quality of the materials. Some people use the two-piece poles and strap them to the rear of the bike or stick them out of their backpack. But if you fall or drop the bike, there is a good chance that those rods will break. So it's all about personal preference. So first up, we got the Plussino spinning fishing rod and reel combo. It comes in this case that is 16 inches by 8. You can pack everything up and be ready to go in no time. Is super convenient, is easy to store when you get home. Little pack that contains everything. And this one, let me show you. So I usually pack two rods, in this case, two entire sets. So it's really, really good. The Plussino is made from a mix of carbon fiber and fiberglass, which make it tough but lightweight. You can use it in both salt water and fresh water. It costs $50. Very cheap. This one comes in several lengths, in 1.8 meters, 2.1, 2.4, and 2.7 meters. This is the 1.8 meter and packs very small. It features a stainless steel reel seat to prevent rust. Very comfortable EVA foregrip for extra comfort. This one is medium power and is good. It's a good choice for all types of fishing, general purpose. Okay, let's talk about the reel now. This one is the HA3000. Is very, very easy to pack. You just need to press this little bottom and then it's ready to go. What I really like about this reel is that it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed. You can just release this retaining nut, then you just need to unplug the rocker and swap sides. You just screw it back and you can use it left or right. Simple and packs pretty small. The Plussino spinning fishing rod and reel combo with the case and everything is around $65. Pretty cheap, very good quality. Highly recommend this setup. Next up, we got the Kastking Compass telescopic fishing rod. This one is made from a graphite composite, which is lighter than the fiberglass, transmit energy better, so you will feel those bites more easily. This one features stainless steel guides with titanium oxide ceramic rings, so it lasts for a very long time. This particular rod measures 1.8 meters long, but packs down to just 17 inches. So it's perfect for your backpack. You can buy the rod on its own, or you can get the full combo. I use the Kastking Compass with the Kastking Speed Demon Elite Bait Casting Reel. The rod alone is just 35 bucks. If you go for the full setup, it's around 150. The rod comes in different lengths and actions, from a 5.6 for trout and panfish all the way up to 7-foot medium heavy action for bass. The Kastking Speed Demon Elite Bait Casting Reel is amazing. I love this reel. Offers like a carbon fiber drag system with up to 18 pounds of drag power. So it's one of the fastest reels in the world. Great quality, extremely smooth, easy maintenance, very low profile, fits in my hand perfectly. I love this setup. Finally, we have the Daiwa Liberty Club with braiding X. This rod is ultralight, is super responsive, features carbon technology. It has a very nice stainless steel reel seat. This rod is 3.2 meters, which is longer than the Plussino and the Kastking, but it still collapses down to just 18 inches. Perfect for your backpack. The price is around 80 bucks, which is great value for the quality. This one pairs perfectly with the Daiwa Legalis LT 4000 DC spinning reel. This one cost around $90. The reel comes with really cool features: ABS, long-lasting cast spool technology for longer cast with minimum effort, automatic tournament drag for better control, and a 12 kilogram drag capacity. So good for large fish too. Before we head out, let's talk bait. I like using artificial lures. They are simple, effective, and they don't spoil like live bait. When you forget a piece of chicken or prawns in your backpack, it's going to smell terrible for weeks. I use these small tackle box. This one measures 11 inches by 8. And here is what I carry with me on my rides. Let's start with these ones. Okay, so this one is the one that I like the most. These are metal spinners like the rooster tail. This is a perfect blend of sound, flash, and vibration that attract fish such as bass, pike, perch, and trout. I have them in different sizes, and I also have my weights. On this side, I have more weights, I have hooks, different sizes, and I use jig heads. These jig heads are good for fluke, salmon, and snapper. Let's check the other side here. Okay, for bream, I use shrimp, plastic worms, different colors, and pieces of bread. They really like that. For bass, I also go with shrimp, of course. They love it. And crankbaits or jerkbaits. The jerkbaits tend to be slender and longer than the crankbaits, and they have this little lip at the end of the lure. I also use crickets like this one, and insects in general. They work really well with bass and also with trout. Spoons like this one are great for salmon, pike, and trout. Topwater minnows like this one are fine for bass, catfish, and trout. For trout, I also use power bait. This power bait has a very strong smell that attracts trout and comes in bright colors, green, pink. I use this one in Lake Hume, where the U.S. Forest Service stocks trout, also in Lake Edison and the Upper Owens River in California last year, and it was amazing. This one is garlic. Okay, so that's it. Let's head out. I am heading out to Lake Yaronga. It's located 2.5 hours out of Sydney and is formed by the Tallowa Dam in the heart of the Kangaroo Valley, New South Wales. It's a heaven for water activities, whether you are into canoeing or kayaking or camping or just enjoying a peaceful day fishing. These lake count waters are perfect for all. This lake plays a crucial role in our water supply, but also offers a fish lift. And this system allows native fish to migrate upstream, promoting biodiversity in the Shoalhaven River ecosystem. Here we are. Look at this place. It's absolute magic. The water is calm, the air is clean, and it's just you, your bike, and a rod enjoying nature. You can rent a kayak or a canoe if you want, but if you're not into canoeing or kayaking, you can just stay on land. The dance picnic areas are equipped with electric barbecues and offer stunning views. Is ideal for a relaxing day out with family and friends. You could also extend your adventure by exploring nearby spots like the Vendila Recreation Area, or just take a scenic drive to the Fitzroy Falls.